Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video I will share with you guys the benefits of soursop and cloves tea and how you can make them at home. Please keep on watching. To make our soursop and cloves tea, I'll be using this glass teapot from a brand called Motanber. This is a borosilicate glass tea maker, guys, and it has an infuser. It is 34 ounces capacity, which is equivalent to 1000 ml. It is stovetop safe. A borosilicate glass is a glass with a very low coefficient of thermal expansion. This means it will not crack under extreme temperature changes like a regular glass. I love the handle. The handle is made with wood and then wrapped with a leather. This glass teapot comes with a glass infuser. The infuser has 12 precise claw-like openings, and this design effortlessly filters out tea and it ensures you have a smooth tea without any unwanted debris. Moving on, you'll find the cover to this kettle. The cover has a walnut wood handle and it has an air vent to reduce pressure and prevent burns. I love how well packaged and well protected the kettle is inside the box. You can use the kettle with the infuser if you want to boil flower tea, loose leaf tea, juice, coffee, or you can just use the kettle just like a kettle and boil normal water. Okay, the handle of this kettle is made with walnut wood and it is wrapped in fine leather. This combination provides comfort and secure grip, and of course it adds an elegant touch to the teapot. The handle of this kettle is adorned with two fishes pendants, one in gold color and the other one in silver, and these two fish pendants symbolizes good luck and prosperity, and it also adds a touch of beauty and cultural significance to the teapot. This glass kettle can withstand temperature ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 302 degrees Fahrenheit, so it is safe to be used on stovetop, induction cooker, microwave, oven, and in the freezer. The link to my Motanber glass tea kettle will be in the comment section. Feel free to check it out. Now let's go ahead and make our soursop and cloves tea. Soursop is a fruit tree native to tropical America. It is also grown in other parts of the world like India, Nigeria. The fruit is consumed fresh or made into juices and smoothies, and the leaves are taken as tea. Here I have the dried soursop leaves. I have about 7 to 10 leaves in that bowl, and I'll also be adding half tablespoon of cloves to the tea to get the best results. I already cleaned the leaves, so into our glass kettle we are going to add 4 cups of water, and then into the infuser I'm going to add the soursop leaves and the cloves, and I'm going to start boiling this on medium heat. Now let's talk about the health benefits of drinking soursop and cloves tea. Studies have shown that soursop contains great antioxidants that protect the pancreatic cells. If you don't know, the pancreatic cells are the cells that are responsible for producing insulin, so it helps to prevent insulin resistance and diabetes. Studies has also shown that soursop tea promotes reduction in stomach acid production, making it beneficial for protecting the stomach, improving digestion, and help to manage some diseases like ulcers and gastritis. So if you know anyone with ulcer, like stomach ulcer, just recommend this tea to the person. This tea is also beneficial in regulating blood pressure because it contains potassium, and when you have potassium in your body eliminates sodium through your urine. I've noticed that whenever I drink this tea I always pee a lot. There are so many other health benefits of drinking soursop and cloves tea, and because of time I cannot mention them all in this video. So this was after 5 minutes of boiling the soursop leaves and the cloves, and then I let it sit for about 5 more minutes, and here I have my cloves tea and my soursop tea. You can drink this every day for the health benefit that it offers. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried soursop and cloves tea. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.